Hello everyone, welcome to Nija's blog. Today, let's find the square root of a number within few seconds. So, let's see how to find the square root with a new method. Okay, for this, first you have to know the squares of numbers from 1 to 10. As you all know, the squares are as given here. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. So, if you notice the ones digit of each result, you can see a similarity. See, the ones digit of 0 square is 0 and the ones digit of 100 is also 0. Similarly, the ones digit of 1 square and 9 square is 1. Likewise, the ones digit of 2 square and 8 square is 4. 3 squares ones digit is 9 and 7 squares ones digit is 9. 4 squares ones digit is 6 and 6 squares ones digit is 36. And we have a single number which has a ones digit as 5. So always keep this in mind to find the square root easily. Now let's take an example. I'm taking here the example of 1225. So we are going to find the square root of 1225. So for this, first you have to separate this 1225 into two parts. Starting from right, after two digits you have to separate it into two parts. Okay, so starting from 5, right means it's 5, right? So after two digit you have to separate these numbers. So starting from right means after two digits you are separating it. Okay. So 12 and 25. Always a 4-digit number will have its square root as 2 digit. Always. So the result of 4-digit number will be of 2 digit. So it will have a 2 digit will have a tens place and ones place. Right? So this is tens place, tens digit or tens place, and this is ones digit or ones place, right? Okay, so to find out the tens digit you have to consider this 12. Whatever is remaining after two digits from right, that number you have to consider. Okay, so here that number is 12. So you have to see from the squares among which this 12 belongs. So it is in between 9 and 16, right? This 12 is in between 9 and 16. That is 12 is in between 9 and 16. 9 means 3 square and 16 means 4 square. So it is in between 3 square and 4 square. Now tens digit always will be the lowest or among these numbers. Lowest among 3 and 4 is 3. So tens digit is 3. So you got the tens digit. Now you have to find the ones digit. In this case it's easy. Since it's 25, 25 means it comes in 5 square, right? So 5 square is 25. So the ones digit is nothing but 5. So the answer is 35. So 35 is the square root of 1225. Now let's take another example of I need to find the square root of 7776. That is 7776, right? 7776. So again, beginning from right means beginning from this side. After two digits, I have to separate it. So beginning from right means after two digit, which is 76. I will get like this. So these are the two parts, 77 and 76. Now you have to consider 77. So you will be having answers like two digits, right? ones digit and ones digit and tens digit, right? So for getting this tens digit, what you have to do is you have to consider this 77 from this squares. So 77 comes between 64 and 81. So 77 comes in between 64 and 81. That is 8 square and 9 square, right? So the lowest number here is 8. So this is the lowest number. So tens digit will be 8. So you got what is the tens digit. Now you have to find the ones digit. Okay. So for this you have to consider 76. Okay. So in 76, you just need to see what is the ones digit. Here ones digit is 6, right? So see which squares gives ones digit as 6. Here the squares of 4 square and 6 square has ones digit as 6. So here the ones digit will be either 4 or 6. Now you got like you have two choices. One tens digit is fixed, which is 8. Now ones digit can be either 4 or 6, right? Now you have to confirm which is the right answer, 84 or 86. Is it 84 or 86? The question arises, right? So now what you have to do is like take the tens digit, which is 8, and multiply it with its successor number. Successor number is nothing but the number just after 8, or you can say the number obtained after adding 1 to this number. So 8 successor will be 9. Next number to 8 is 9. So you have to multiply 8 with 9. Okay, so the result is the product is nothing but 72. So you got 72, right? Now what you have to do is you have to compare 72 with this 77. Compare 72 with 77. Now what happens? You know that 72 like 77 is greater than 72, right? So if the number 77 is greater than the product obtained after multiplying the tens digit with its successor, that is 72, means you have to take the highest number among 84 and 86. So I repeat, if 77 is greater than 72, you have to take the highest number among 84 or 86. Okay. So the highest number here is 86. So the answer is nothing but 86. So the square root of 7776 is nothing but 86. Now let's look another example. Okay. Which is 4624. So you have to find the square root of 4624. So again, beginning from right, after two digits, that is after 2, you have to separate it into two sections or two parts, which is 46 and 24. Now you will be having tens digit as well as ones digit. So tens digit, for finding the tens digit, you have to consider the number 46. So let's see, 46 is in between 36 and 49, right? So 36 less than 46 less than 49. That is, it is in between 6 square and 7 square, right? So the lowest digit here is 6. So the tens digit is 6. So you obtained tens digit. Now you have to find what is the ones digit. For this you have to consider 24. Like in 24 the ones digit is 4. Okay. So you have to see which squares provide one's digit as 4? The two squares is 2 square and 8 square, right? 4 and 64. So this one's digit can either be 2 or 8. Now we have two numbers, right? 62, it can be 62 or 68. We have to confirm which is the number, 62 or 68. 62 or 68. So for this, what you have to do is, you have to take this number 6 and multiply it with its successor number, which is nothing but 7. Then you will obtain the number as 42, the product as 42. Now compare this 46 with 42. So 46 with 42, right? So 46 is greater than 42. So you have to take the greatest number among 62 and 68, which is nothing but 68. So the square root of 4624 is nothing but 68. So if this product was less than 46, means you have to take the lowest number, which is 62. But here, since 46 is greater than 42, the number or the square root is nothing but the highest among 62 and 68, which is nothing but 68. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.